Bad ergonomics can lead to injury, whether you're working in manufacturing or sitting at a computer. Certain injuries can occur in either environment, like neck strain, shoulder impingement, tennis elbow, and carpal tunnel syndrome. What if you could prevent those injuries by making small changes in the work environment? I'm Nancy Wilson, owner of WorkSafe Physical Therapy, the only clinic in Wichita that's entirely devoted to work injury prevention and management. The therapist at WorkSafe can help you identify those tasks that may be causing soft tissue injuries by completing an ergonomic assessment. Soft tissue injuries are often due to long-term exposure to risk factors like awkward posture, excessive force, or repetition. An ergonomics program can help identify risk factors and prevent costly injuries from occurring in the first place. Reducing ergonomic risk can also improve productivity. Reducing awkward reaches or lowering forces required to get work done makes the process more efficient, so everyone works smarter, not harder. Starting an ergonomics program can seem overwhelming, but if you break it down to 3 simple steps, it's very manageable. Step 1, target. Prioritize which areas to analyze by looking at recent injury data. Step 2, assess. The physical therapist at WorkSafe will use standardized ergonomic assessment tools to help you identify which risk factors need to be addressed. Step 3, measure. After you've made ergonomic changes, go back and analyze the jobs again to make sure your changes were effective. Then repeat the process for each target job title. We know it's frustrating when an employee reports an injury but can't recall a specific event. When that happens, it's usually the result of cumulative trauma. Over time, the combination of ergonomic risk factors like awkward postures, excessive force, vibration, or repetition can lead to musculoskeletal injuries. Injuries like muscle strain, bursitis, tennis elbow, tendonitis, or shoulder impingement can all be traced back to improper ergonomics. As physical therapists, the staff at WorkSafe has spent years analyzing movement of the human body. Combined with special training in ergonomics assessment, this makes them experts at identifying risks in the workplace that might lead to discomfort and injury. After identifying those risks, they make recommendations for improving the work and apply quick fixes whenever possible. Making small ergonomic changes can have a huge impact on employee morale in addition to lowering injury rates. When an employee sees their employer take an active interest in their health and safety, they begin to feel more valued. And when they can work with less fatigue and discomfort, productivity improves. Everybody wins. Call us today to get it started. 316-262-8800. Please subscribe to our channel so you'll be notified when we upload new tips to keep you safe and healthy at work. I'm Nancy Wilson with WorkSafe Physical Therapy, where we've been preventing injury and increasing productivity since 2000.